This is the story of El Gato, the boar with 9 lives. This hog was always in this spot. I don't normally name these hogs, but this guy earned it. This is a 44,000 acre ranch that I hunt, and he was always on the north end of the ranch, 50 yards in this same spot for multiple trips now for months. Like clockwork, he is there, but he will not come to the side of the fence where I can hunt. 44,000 acres, and I can't shoot him because he's on a spot I can't get him, and I'm not allowed to shoot. I don't have permission to be there. I tried throwing CR-123 batteries at him. As you can see here in a minute, I made noises. I tried calling him. Eventually he would leave, but for the most part he just ignored me. Where he ran into his 8th and 9th lives was this past weekend. I had the IR Defense scopes, the Mark II Hunter 20mm and 35mm, and then all of the Armor Sight Pro line. I was going to do, since he is so faithful and in this spot all the time, I was going to show all these scopes side by side. And as luck would have it, I get the first scope set up on a rifle that's not sighted in, and he comes straight to me. He is walking right at me. Well, I can't shoot. I have to turn the scope off, put it up. I grab my trusty LWRC 6.8 Razorback with the 50mm Apollo Pro and the Vortex 1x6, turn it on, and the recorder does not work. It will not turn on. He crosses under the fence onto my side of the property and gets into the tall grass and just starts walking off. Finally, I got the recorder working, and as you will see, his luck runs out. So say goodbye to El Gato, the boar with 9 lives. He just don't give a damn through tall grass. Nuke it a little bit, but still, we're just gonna have to take it to the grass. And your luck ran out. I'll call you El Gato because you had 9 lives.